Jamie, because you're not going to remember this in a couple months when it's relevant. The far end of the wharf back there is growing amazingly well, and this is the barren end, where nothing really seems to grow very well. Okay, the biggest difference that I'm aware of anyway between the dirt here and the dirt way down there is that over here I cut the individual blocks, like blocks of dirt, and put them there, and I'm thinking the roots have difficulty getting through this stuff because it's just too solid. But way over there where that nice huge banana tree is growing and everything's growing like crazy, that was where I put the dirt before I started cutting out big huge blocks, and I was just throwing scoopfuls, like shovelfuls, so it was a lot smaller chunks. And the other thing is a whole bunch of sand got mixed in with the dirt down there. So I'm doing a couple experiments down here. I've got a breadfruit tree, and it's in a bunch of, you know, ocean dirt chunks. Hold on. All right, anyway, I've got lots of like chunked up dirt here, and I took a whole bunch of this. I tried to get as much sandy part as possible and mixed it in with that. Plus, under this tire, there's like another 3 feet dug down and chewed up, and there's a dead chicken on the bottom. One of our chickens died. I don't even know what it died from. Apparently they just die sometimes, and there's no apparent cause of death, blah blah blah. Anyway, there's a dead chicken under there, and there's a whole bunch of like old food scraps and stuff mixed in. So that's got like 3 feet deep of this stuff, chewed up ground with sand. Now right over here I've got a similar thing. These are new banana trees I just planted, and for about 2 feet down and 2 feet wide, 2 feet wide that way, it's all chewed up and, you know, the same thing, sand mixed in. So hopefully those do better. Now right here there is a mango tree that's just planted in the normal stuff. Nothing, I haven't done anything different to that. But right over here is a mango tree that I dug up a lot, way deep down, mixed in sand, so that's got the sand treatment too. And right here is a new banana tree also. This one's real little. I'm not sure if it's gonna make it. It barely had any roots, but hopefully it will. This one I dug down about 1 foot and mixed sand in with everything, you know, broke everything up into little chunks. So I'm gonna see how those do in comparison to, like, you know, this banana tree, which has been the same size for, well, now the chickens have taken the leaves off it. But anyway, it's barely grown at all. And then this one, the chickens got to that leaf too. I need to block the chickens from getting down here. Anyway, this one, I mean, that's the same height it was when I planted it. It's not dead, but it's just not growing. So if this guy grows and those guys over there grow, I know that I just need to chew up the ground, mix in some sand, and it'll be good. And if they still don't grow, I don't know. I'll have to try something else. The citronella plant growing like crazy. Got some lemongrass, pepper plant. These banana trees are going bananas. If I can just figure out how to replicate whatever I did to the ground here, I should be good.